Hi Year 11 and welcome to your lesson on exercise 9.05 on practical graphs. So I've just got two short examples here, but we're basically looking at how we can draw graphs for different situations that are a bit more practical. So Sarah is pouring water into the container at a constant rate. Draw a graph showing the height of the water in the container over time. So I'm going to just start by drawing my X and Y axes. Whoops, that was a bit bad. There we go. I'm going to put my arrows. This is going to be time, and then this one here is going to be height of water. So we don't need to put any values because we don't actually have values. But when we look at our container over here, it's going to might go there to 1 second, there to 2 seconds, 3, 4. But as we get into the smaller container, this might be 1 second. And it's because it's got less volume to fill because the container is narrower. So what we would see is we would see our steady rate for our first container, and then we would see this rate of change increase for our second one because it's going to fill up quicker. That's it for our first one. Our second one is this graph shows the amount of petrol in the tank of Natasha's car over a week starting on Monday. Describe what the graph is showing. So what it's showing is she starts her week with pretty much a full tank of petrol. And we can see that it goes down and then it stops, then it goes down, then it stops, then it goes down and stops, down, stops, down, and then it jumps up really quickly before it starts going back down. So we could say as she drives over the week, the amount of petrol in the tank goes down. When the graph is horizontal, all these little flat bits here, that's when she isn't using her car. Because remember that this axis here is time, so we don't drive our car around 24 hours every 24/7 basically. So there are going to be moments where the car isn't moving. Towards the end of the week, Natasha fills the tank and drives again. So that's what this sudden increase was, and then she starts driving again, and that's what that small fall is. That's it for this one. You're just going to be kind of describing what you see in graphs, and you're also going to be giving rough sketches of what a graph will look like in different situations. Let me know if you've got any questions.